Hey, what's going on? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here with one of the newest products from Massive Speed System. Here we have the Focus ST front strut tower brace. This is a bolt-in product that is going to maintain the OEM factory strut tower brace. So bolt-in is simple, quick. So let's get to the garage and let's get it installed.
We're going to remove our wiper arms. It's nice to have like a little bin to put all your pieces in. We're going to pull all our Cowl bolts and push pins. You'll just need to come to one side of the cowl, kind of get under it and get it to start pulling. And then once it starts, it'll kind of just work its way across and come off. Okay. All right, now we're going to remove the lower cowl. It's just 2 bolts, one here, and one on the other side. And then you remove the whole lower cowl. Now to install the strut bar, you'll remove just these 2 bolts here. On both sides. Yours will actually have bolts, it won't have nuts and washers. Alright, we're going to show you how to drill out your stock strut bar to clear for the massive strut bar to be able to adjust camber. Stop periodically and spray lubrication on it or it will burn up your bit. Gives you nice access to access the adjustment on the camber. Okay, so we're lining it up on the right side of the bottom of the stock strut tower brace to cut the holes for the camber access. So you kind of favor the right side on both the left and right side of the vehicle on the strut bar. So then we're going to put lubricant on it again and cut it.
Reminder to clean up your edges.
Yep, with either a file or a die grinder. Here we're going to touch up any exposed metal surfaces. Here we're going to actually place the strut bar onto our studs. And if you have a stock suspension, it'll be bolts. Because this is coilovers, it has studs. So then you're going to take your 2 nuts, place them on one side, and you can kind of run them down if you want, but don't tighten them on both sides. And then grab your torque wrench and torque them to 26 foot-pounds. Alright, so now we're going to reinstall the lower cowl, unlike other bars on the market that remove it, and you cannot reinstall it. And you're going to reinstall your two 10mm bolts. Alright. If you've done the strut bar modification, you actually have to drill this hole here. You'll have to drill a new hole to hit the bolt that's in the bar still. And then you can reattach the cowl on this side. Alright, now we're going to install the upper cowl. And you'll want to clip it in, get it dropped into place, and you kind of clip it into the windshield all the way across. And you'll need 4 push clips and 2 bolts. And at this stage, you can go ahead and reinstall the weather strip. Alright, so the next step is going to be to reinstall the wiper blades. You're going to want to turn the key on and actuate the wipers so the motor's reset to home. And then you'll come through with your wiper arms and kind of line them up on the windshield where they go. You usually see a dust mark or something, and then push them into place on both. You'll want to line them up to the dust marks or watermarks, whatever you have. There's usually a mark on the windshield where the wipers have been sitting. Kind of hold the wiper arm and run the nut down tight. And just give it a little bit past tight. And put your rubber cap back. Same thing on the other side. Washer, then nut.
All right, thanks for watching this video. Before we get out of here, we want to give a huge shout out to Massive Speed System for making badass products right here in the U.S.A. And if you like videos like this and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to follow us on social media, be sure to do that at Panda Motorworks on Facebook and Instagram. If you're looking for performance parts for your vehicle, be sure to check us out online at pandamotorworks.com. Thanks for watching.